You know what's about to happen, right? You know Santa Claus is coming to town and we need to play him in. We need to play this song. So we're gonna do that right now. Santa Claus is coming to town on the ukulele in the key of G. If this looks like a lot, go watch the instructional video first and then come back here. But good luck. I'm wishing myself luck as well. Let's do this, you guys. Let's play it down. All right. The track and the sheet music you can get. I'll show you how to get that later. Let's try this. And I'll cue you in. We're gonna do it twice through. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. You're gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees when you are sleeping. He knows when you're awake. Really? He knows when you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. You know it. He sees when you are sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Why Santa Claus is coming. Let's go. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming to town. Woo! Okay. How'd you do? You can rewind it. I'll just click it. Back to the beginning. You guys, this is fun. Did you like the bossa nova? Come on now. I made that for you. So you can download that and as well as the song sheet right here at patreon.com/Kalani. And if you'd like, you can also enter the Ukulele Holiday Challenge, brought to you by the Ukulele Club channel, by clicking the link below and see what's involved with that. Maybe you'll win an ukulele, who knows. Please subscribe before you click away, and by all means, hit the bell so you get notifications. Leave your kind and helpful comments below. There is an instructional video on this one. I have some tips for you guys on how you can get through this a little bit easier. So that's linked below as well. Enjoy. Play Santa Claus is Coming to Town for your friends. You don't have to do it as a bossa, but yeah, you kind of do for it to be maximized in the fun department. But whatever you do, have a beautiful holiday season. Thanks for stopping by the Ukulele Club channel. I'll see you soon.